Hi and welcome to Kitchen Treat. I'm so happy to have you here. So for today's recipe, we'll be making a quick sauce. It's an easy recipe that you would love. Here are our ingredients. We'll be using fresh tomatoes, then this peanut butter, some salmon fish. This is frozen one. If you have fresh fish, whatever fish you want, you can as well make it with chicken. I feel like fish today, that's why I'm using fish. Then we'll be garnishing at the end with some fresh vegetables. This is kale, yeah, some spices, fresh pepper. You guys, I don't eat a lot of pepper, so I found out that whenever I buy fresh pepper, it ends up spoiling before I use it all. So what I do is slice it up or grate it, then put in a ziploc and save in the freezer. So that's why each time I'm making food, you see it like this. It's frozen and sliced already. Then some onions, just about this much. Some salt. Part of Norway, so it's in goes the thyme. So guys, whatever you're making this sauce with, just if it's chicken, whatever it is, chicken, fish, spice it as you normally spice your obstacles. Yeah, spice it like you normally do, and head on from there. So guys, it's time to steam our fish. Just put some water. So we'll cover the fish to steam. So I'm just gonna cut this up in bits. Now that I have my fish and the stock, I'll be taking out the fish. I have just about this quantity of stock. So having put the fish to grill in the oven, I'll transfer the sauce to this bowl. The next thing I'll be doing will be to put in some oil. Here I'm using olive oil, but the mild type. So put some oil in the pan. Not so much, since we're using peanuts and it has some oil in it. I'll let the oil heat up a little bit. And guys, I forgot to mention, for garnishing I'll also be putting in these cherry tomatoes. These are different colors of cherry tomatoes. They're just cute in the food. Yeah, the oil is hot enough, and I've got in the onions. Add your thyme and curry and paprika, some salt. I did this so that the tomatoes that will go afterwards will just soak up the spices at once. We're not going to be doing a deep frying, so the earlier the better. After about 3 to 5 minutes, the tomatoes felt a little bit soft. And then I went ahead to add the peanut butter. I actually lost the clip where I added the peanut butter, but I used about 3 tablespoons of the peanut butter, and here I'm just melting it into the tomatoes, like trying to get the lumps out of the way. Now the peanut butter is all melted. I would be going ahead to add the fish stock. A little bit at a time, since we don't want it watery. I would check now to see if I need more. If I do, I'll be adding the rest of the stock. Satisfied with the thickness, I went ahead to add the rest of the stock. And then tested for salt. Now guys, this is where the magic happens. Can you see the oil that has settled on top? It's a sign that our sauce is ready. So I'll go ahead now and mix it. Careful with your heat when you're doing this. You have to keep an eye on it, or it will surprise you. Yeah, so the next thing will be to add our fish. I had grilled it a little bit just so it doesn't mash up. We want our fish to also soak up the sauce a little bit, you know, before it comes down. Lastly, we'll be throwing in this, some colorful cherry tomatoes and fresh kale leaves. At this point, we'll be careful not to mash up the fish, so we'll just gently combine everything. Can you see that, guys? Such a beauty. So with this, guys, we have our peanut sauce ready. Go ahead and enjoy this with rice, enjoy it with potatoes, with plantain, with yam, whatever you want to enjoy this with. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and then click on the notification bell. That's where you always know whenever I upload. Meanwhile, enjoy the rest of your day and bye.